Hey everybody! So today we have a little adventure to go on.
Yeah, we heard Taco Bell has come out with a new drink. It's called Pineapple Whip Freeze. And from what I've read, it tastes like a Dole Whip.
So we're gonna see if it's true.
Here we go.
All right, here we go. We're on our way.
Yeah, there's a Taco Bell right down the road from where we live, so this should be a quick and easy trip, and hopefully they have what we're looking for. I have never had, I guess, a frozen drink from Taco Bell.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people were obsessed with that, like Mountain Dew Blast. I don't know if that's still a thing or not.
Yeah. I never had like a frosty drink from there before either, so I'm kind of interested to see. There it is, Taco Bell. We are here.
Yes, we are. Let's see.
How have you?
Hi, can I get one Pineapple Whip Freeze?
One Taco Supreme?
No, one Pineapple Whip Freeze drink.
Okay.
We're patiently waiting in line for the pineapple whipped freeze
Yes.
at Taco Bell.
Thank you.
There it is. All right, we are back from Taco Bell and we picked up our pineapple whip
Here it is.
freeze.
I think it's really cool how it resembles a pineapple.
Yeah.
Green top and the yellow bottom.
Yeah.
This is our dog, by the way,
Yeah.
if you can hear the craziness going on. Say hi. All right, let's try it.
Let's do it.
All right. Do you want to go first?
Ladies first.
Ladies first. All right, here we go. You can tell there's some type of whipped something at the bottom here. It's a little white at the bottom.
Yes.
All right, ready? Here we go. Wow. Well, there's definitely pineapple in that.
Well,
Yeah, I mean, I can taste the Dole Whip.
Yeah?
It's not exact, but I can definitely taste it.
that's good.
It's good. I'm not saying it's not good.
Wow.
I'm not sure it tastes like a Dole Whip.
I think it does.
Really?
Yeah.
I kind of want to try to make the Disney Dole Whip recipe and compare.
Yeah.
To not each other, but then also to what a Dole Whip tastes like in Disney.
I think we should do that. All right, so it's a few hours later, and we just got back and got all the ingredients for the Dole Whip.
Yes. So we're just gonna make it ourselves. We're doing that is a huge scoop. I mean, it does call for a large scoop, but hey, there it is. We're using the recipe that Disney released, which, okay, hold on a second. Disney's recipe calls for ice cream, clearly, vanilla ice cream, 1 large scoop. But Dole Whip in the parks is vegan and gluten-free. So that doesn't make sense, but we're gonna go with it. We're gonna go with the recipe they gave us.
And that's a pineapple juice, right?
Yes, yeah, it's 4 ounces, so half a cup of pineapple juice, and then 2 cups of frozen pineapple, which we actually had to freeze some pineapple chunks.
Yeah, this is pretty simple.
Yeah, it's super easy. All right, ready? Hello, old friend. How are you? On the blender, man. We don't like each other.
Make sure you put that top on there.
That's on. All right, here we go. Is it supposed to be that liquidy? How come we can never make anything correctly? It's like,
What are the best?
oh yeah,
How's it look?
not bad. It's
Yeah, I don't think so.
why not?
It's like pudding.
There's nothing wrong with it.
Okay.
I know what it was. The pineapples weren't frozen enough. But listen, it's.
I think we should add some ice.
Oh no, I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
Soup. It's Dole Whip soup. That's a Dole Whip.
Yeah?
Not Taco Bell pineapple whip freeze.
Let me try it.
I mean, it's melted Dole Whip. This is a Dole Whip. This is really good. It's just liquidy, but it's good.
What do you think, Rocco?
Oh my gosh, this is good.
Oh, yeah?
I told you.
Yeah. How do you make it more frozen?
I don't know. We probably should have used frozen pineapples like it called for.
Oh, it was,
Not semi-frozen pineapples.
that is good. This is way better than the Taco Bell drink.
That's a legit Dole Whip, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just not.
I mean, the Taco Bell drink was great, but I think this is this wins. Wow.
I told you. Okay, maybe ice and use frozen pineapple chunks so it can actually do a swirl and look like a real Dole Whip. But that was good.
I'm a big believer in adding ice to everything. Maybe if we had some ice, it would be ice cream. Maybe. I don't know. It tasted just like the Dole Whip in Magic Kingdom.
It was really good. Like, that was a legit Dole Whip.
Yeah.
And I know, like I said before, it's vegan in the park, it's gluten-free in the park. I don't care. At the ice cream, it is so good. The Taco Bell Pineapple Whip Freeze, I don't know, maybe it did taste a little more like a pina colada, but it didn't have coconut in it, so I don't know.
It was close. I mean, I think for a quick fix, you can go to Taco Bell and grab one if you're craving a Dole Whip. Or you can just go buy the ingredients and blend it yourself, and it takes a little bit more time, but I think it tastes better.
It's so easy. I'll put the ingredients and the recipe down in the description. It's the one that Disney released. It's not hard at all. It's delicious. Just make sure it's frozen and don't do what I did.
Obsolete it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure in Weberland. Well,
We're back. Okay. Add ice.
yes.
Yes.
Add
It's a Dole
ice.
Whip now. It's a yes.
Made it stronger, thicker. Perfect.
Not soup.
Not soup.
When in doubt,
Add ice.